Hi, I'm Mike Kubicek, an applications engineer with WorldDrive Electric. This is one of a series of videos to help you wire and configure our WDFC WorldDrive Flex Control.
In this video, we will review fire mode in the WDFC. Fire mode is an input signal to the drive that tells the drive to run the motor and ignore minor faults. The drive will only trip out on overcurrent, overvoltage, and ground faults and ignore all other faults for motor operation. This is only used in emergency operations in the building. To set up fire mode, we need to set up one of our input terminals for fire mode. To do this, we will hit mode, and then we'll press the right arrow until we get into our input parameter group, which is IN, as you can see in the top left-hand corner. We will jump code down to parameter 65 for our inputs, and then we'll go down to number 4. We will change number 4 to fire mode, which is number 40 under the input groups. There's fire mode. Now we need to set up the settings for fire mode. To do this, we need to go to the PRT parameter group, which means press the right arrow again until you see PRT in the top left-hand corner. Then we will jump code to parameter 44, which is where the fire mode parameters begin. There is a password that needs to be entered before you can change the fire mode settings. This password is in the manual. Now I put the password in, I can go down and turn fire mode to fire mode or test mode. For this video, we'll do fire mode. Now I can change the direction, the frequency that the motor spins. This is what the motor will do when fire mode is enabled and will ignore all other commands that have been set in the drive. Just a note, if fire mode is enabled, it will void all warranties on the drive.
Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work.